Hello everyone! In today's episode I want to talk about what's new on Facebook, and specifically we're going to talk about the new look for Facebook's advertising manager. Right now I'm in my ads manager on Facebook. It's a regular look, what we all used to, and right here on your left you can try a new version of ads manager. Let's try it out and let's see what's new here. Okay, so instead of getting 3 separate tabs, we have just one tab, and we can actually open a campaign and see our ad sets underneath a campaign, all in one window. So that's my ad set and that's my ads. I can preview a picture of my ads right here. What else? Columns and breakdown menu is still the same. We still have a time filter right here, almost in the same place. We don't have similar buttons as we used to, like edit, because we have everything right here in underneath our campaign name. So instead of just select, oh no, I can select my campaign. I also can select my ad set and my ads separately, because it's still like on a different level, but it's in the same window, which is kind of confusing right now. And by selecting each level, campaign level, ad set level, or ad level, I'm getting the same menu that it was here before in Ads Manager, edit or preview for my ads. So basically everything is the same. The only difference is that I don't have to switch between tabs in order to see my ad set. Let's see. Edits. Yes, and the edit window opens up right here, not as a separate window. Maybe it's more comfortable to work like this. I'm not sure yet. Still new. Still very strange and very uncomfortable right now. But let's see if it's more user-friendly. We have history, we have summary. Oh, right, I don't see a tab for my account. Since we had a tab like for my campaign, for ad set and ads, we did have the tab for the account itself, a general tab. Let's see, maybe it's here. Oh yes, account overview, ad set and ad. Okay, let's take a look what's account overview. Alright, so that's what we have. Campaign, ad sets. Well, for ad set, I'm not getting only ad set. I'm still having here a campaign. Oh no, that's my ad set. Interesting. And for ads, I have only ads. Okay, so instead of just getting tabs right in my central window, central menu, I have tabs on my left. I'm not sure how useful it is, and the only thing is that I can actually have all my campaign, ad sets and ads in the same window. Maybe it's easier for someone, not sure. If it's easier for you, just let me know. Right now it's really looks very strange for me, very uncomfortable, and I'm going to switch back to the previous view because I really used to work like that. By the way, here we have filters, which are very helpful when we want to optimize our campaigns. I didn't notice that we have any filters in our new ad manager. Let's take a look once more. Yes, I don't see any filters. And if we're going to select this campaign, can I select only this campaign? That's what I want. I want to use only this campaign right now in order, I don't know, to check, to analyze its data. So let's see. I want to select only this campaign. Guys, how do I do that? I don't have anything on my right. I have columns, breakdown, and nothing here says that I can filter my campaign. I can search, by the way. Okay, come on. So in the search line, we have filters, and we have recent searches, and we have searches. For my searching menu, I think our options here are kind of limited. No, here it is. So we have everything here, all in one place, which is kind of very strange. So filter by selected, I have filters, I can search, and I can go very deep here. Like I think I have all the data that we had previously in Ads Manager. Yes, we can search by campaign name or ID. Definitely, we have everything here on this search line. That's very weird, because since we don't know that, search or add filters. Guys, it's not obvious. So Facebook, please fix that. It's not user-friendly. We must guess where our filters are, and if previously it wasn't that hard to find them because it was like big button of filters and big buttons for search, and I think we even had more than one button for search. We had definitely few options there. We had search button right here, and we have plus button right here in order to filter our campaigns as we want. So those options are kind of obvious, but in our new menu, it's not obvious. So guys, please fix it. It's not obvious for us. And other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. So instead of just getting tabs, we have a menu on our left. Well, I'm going to use it for a few days and let you know if it's really better, if it's more comfortable, what other advantages are there, and share with me in the comments what do you think about the new version. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.